Ogutu, which is R is total that Eric got. Now we move forward and we can see the total value of how much total they paid to Poland and to Kenya. And then we have the income. This is a very important, okay? So this is the income in USD that is coming from your files. It's coming from your files, and income in shillings. Now, the currency rate and the total income. Now, if we have a look at the total income for December, then the total income for December is $10,471, right? Now, it means that the total income for Poland, this is $5,236, okay? So this is everything basing on your files, okay? So the total customers paid $46,000, and the income for on that was $10,000. Now, what we also know is that they paid to Poland. They paid to Poland here in dollars $12,000. Okay, so they paid to me $12,854 because I was supposed to earn $5,200. It means that for December I should pay to Kenya $7,000, right? So I should pay what I received in dollars minus what I should receive, and it should be transferred to Kenya. Now, if we have a look at here, and it's a December received this one, and in fact, because we've already paid earlier, we paid in December $19,000, so we overpaid, right? So we overpaid, which we deduct here later on from the payments. But what is most important for the moment from you, I'm talking to Eddie right now, is that you can check all these files, that these numbers, right? The total income that was coming from the different customers, okay? And then the rest is very easy, right? It also means that as we invoice every single invoice to the customers, we as Poland, we have issued the invoices for total $49,000. Now, to have it booked correctly in the Polish bookkeeping, we need to get an invoice from Ogutu Safari, and actually we need to get it backwards for November as well and for December, for the equivalent of $49,000 minus income, which is minus 5, which means around 44, yeah, 41. This is something, the formula is I'm checking the formula once again live as we speak. This is total 49. Okay, so the formula here needs to be corrected, as this is y2, let me check the total. Okay, so not also the total is here. So $46,000 is the total of the total what the customers paid, and minus my income, minus 5, this I should get an invoice for 41 from Ogutu. But this is just the bookkeeping, okay? For us, what is the most important is that that we know exactly every single time that the income is booked correctly for every customer, okay? So shillings, dollars, sometimes you write it as shillings plus dollars, and it has to be booked correctly, because only then I know how much I should pay, okay? So this is basically the idea of how we are supposed to do it. For November, it was like the total turnover was 80,000, total income was 18,000. Now my share was 50% of that, which is 9,000, and I took Zaliczkas for 20,000. So I should pay to Eric, to Ogutu Kenya, 10,700. I paid only 10,000, so it means that 1st of December my debt towards Eric was $731. Then I made couple of payments in December, which totals 19,000. And then if we have a look at this file for November it was minus 731, and then for this December I paid this one, right? So for the trips that were made, I should pay this amount. So total, I should pay this amount. I paid this one. So my balance for the 1st of January was minus 5. So actually, it was Kenya was due to me this number, right? So we work on that. We check the logic. Now the most important is just to have this one and this one clear about these levels. So Eddie, please have a look at that, check the logics and check the numbers so that we know exactly where the money is.